Hey guys, so you landed on this video because you're like, what is Bitcoin? What the hell is Bitcoin? Someone introduced me to Bitcoin last year. I didn't understand it. I didn't know what the hell Bitcoin was last year. So this year I decided to take a look at it, and I am absolutely blown away by what Bitcoin is, guys. Bitcoin is digital internet money. Okay? Bitcoin is digital internet money, peer-to-peer. Me and you, no middleman involved, no bank involved to do any transactions, to send any money. All you need is a smartphone and a Bitcoin wallet to make transactions, send transactions, and buy Bitcoin. Now, if you're in America, you can use Coinbase to buy Bitcoin. You can turn your fiat, your dollars in the bank, turn them into digital Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is $10,000. I started studying Bitcoin 3 months ago when it was $2,700. So if I would have had one Bitcoin for $2,700, I would have made over almost $8,000 on my money right now. So what does that mean in elementary terms? Basically, Bitcoin is money. A way for me and you to be able to buy goods, pay our bills, save, hold our wealth in Bitcoin without the government, without taxes, okay, without the IRS, okay, without the bank being in our business, without bank fees. Now, Bitcoin has its own fees. Bitcoin has its own mining fees. That means people like me and you mine Bitcoin on the computer, and we have to pay them these fees to, make our transactions go through. But Bitcoin, guys, has literally went up in the last 10 years. Bitcoin is a way for people to hold their wealth, right? Get away from the government, get away from the banks, get away from all these fees, okay? Bitcoin, guys, is globally. As long as you have the internet, you can have access to Bitcoin. Right? Now, here's the thing. Banks are not everywhere around the world. There's, 2.5 billion people or something like that don't have bank accounts, but they have a cell phone, and all you need is a cell phone with the internet, and you get a Bitcoin wallet through Coinbase or BitPay, and all you got to do now is buy some and let it grow. You can spend it, you can trade it, you can stake it, you can lend it, you can mine it. I know all this may sound confusing, but I want you guys to study what is Bitcoin. Okay, study what is Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin, how to sell Bitcoin. I'm not selling Bitcoins at all. I'm only buying. Okay, so Bitcoin, guys, is a way for you to hold your wealth. We're able to pay your bills through digital currency, and we already use digital currency, guys. Little do we know, through credit cards. Credit cards is digital currency. It's only fucking numbers in the bank. Credit cards, debit cards is only really numbers in the bank. That's all it really is, right? Until you take the cash and you hold the cash, right? That's all it truly is, all right? Satoshi Nakamoto, the group, the woman, the man, I hope it's a woman, that started this in 2008 is because Bitcoin started, digital currency started because of the crash and the bubble in the real estate and the stock market in 2008, where people lost their houses, they lost cars, they lost their savings, everything was wiped out. People had to start over from scratch. This is why Bitcoin was invented. Okay? This is why, and it's only going to be 21 million of them mined, and by 2040, there's not going to be any more Bitcoins. They're going to be altcoins that we are able to use, but no more Bitcoin. So those people that have Bitcoin will be considered to be kings and queens of the world. Okay, like I said, guys, this may sound confusing, because when I first heard it, I was like, what? But now I understand it. Okay, now I'm using Bitcoin. Right? Bitcoin is accepted basically everywhere because all you're doing is transferring your Bitcoin on your BitPay card to now go use it to pay your bills, take out cash, book a trip. There's over 1,200 other coins because of Bitcoin. So you gotta understand this stuff, guys. You really want to understand it because digital money is the new wave of how we transact and how we do commerce. Just like Facebook and the internet literally disrupted the way we communicate through telegraphs and mail and post office, right? It's the same exact thing. Bitcoin is peer-to-peer, just like if you did a susu on your job where you and 10 of your coworkers got together and everybody put in $200 a week or $200 every 2 weeks, and then at the end of whatever term you guys come up with, each person gets the payout. Same thing with Bitcoin. We're trusting everybody in the community, except it's on a larger scale. It's on a larger scale. Okay, it's on a larger scale that we're all trusting each other, that we have each other's best interests at heart. That's really what we're trusting. Just like, when you do a susu on your job, right? You're trusting that this person who's holding the money is going to pay people out. Same thing, except for Bitcoin is just on a larger scale. And you just got to pay, some mining fees. The government is not involved. No bank is involved. No IRS, no taxes is involved with this money. Digital money. Remember, guys, everything is changing. Facebook has changed the way we communicate. Email, internet has changed the way we send mails and we send letter. People even sending now virtual flowers, virtual gifts over the internet now. You don't even have to send a person a physical gift anymore. Physical flowers, they can send virtual flowers and people just be as happy as the physical ones. Okay? It's just the banking system, the government, the IRS, they try to control every aspect of everybody's lives, and people are sick of it. People don't want to deal with the government anymore. They don't want to deal with taxes anymore. People hate the fucking government. Okay? Hate it. And Bitcoin is literally going to give the government a run for their money. All the government is doing is printing. Is what's making America go deeper and deeper and deeper in debt. Russia already stopped trading with the dollar. China's about to stop trading with the dollar. So that means more dollars of the debt from America is going to come back into America, which America can create more jobs, which to some people may be a good thing, but that's a bad thing because your job is created on debt. Your job is created on debt. They're printing debt, they're giving you debt and charging you to work for the debt. And then if you don't pay them the debt, they charge you interest on the debt. So it's the fiat is backed by nothing, where it can crash at any given time, which is about to. And Bitcoin is backed by the whole community worldwide of people who come to one consensus and say, we want to do these transactions. So type in what is Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, see what it is, guys. I have a couple videos that you can watch where I show you how you can grow your Bitcoin daily online. Okay? Bitcoin is very volatile. You can make a lot of money. You can lose a lot of money. Some people can't stomach losing even $20. Okay? But what is Bitcoin, guys? Follow it. Okay? Because you're going to be seeing more and more people talking about Bitcoin. And if you don't get in when Bitcoin is $10,000 a coin, at $25,000 a coin, you'd have missed 2,000-3,000% on your money. Bitcoin has went up 21,000% in the last 3 months. Ain't that's crazy? What, 2,000%? Some crazy percent. I don't even know the percentage. But I know from last 3 months it was 2,700, and now it's $10,000. They're predicting that Bitcoin is going to go to $50,000 by the end of 2018. And those that hold Bitcoin and have Bitcoin would be the ones that win. So that's Bitcoin, guys. So make sure you study it. Follow all these guys that are doing Bitcoin and have Bitcoin, in their portfolios and been doing Bitcoin forever. But that's my spiel on what Bitcoin is, guys. So go to bitcointanisha.net. Watch the video, guys. Get involved. Set your free account up. And, we'll see you soon.